this Thursday morning. Thanks so much for sticking with us here on ARC Rochester. The gang is all here this morning because we're very excited to be debuting the new series From the Ground Up. Roll the intro.
All right, so Mark, before we head into the very first episode, for those who weren't here last time, give us a little overview about what this new segment is.
So I worked at the garden factory for a number of years, and even before that, I had just a general interest in horticulture, growing plants, just having fun out in the garden. So we brainstormed a little bit years ago. We had a segment called Garden Gripes, and I would go around to people's yards. Literally, they would have problems on this or that with plants, and we'd get useful remedies for them and help them out. So we said, well, why don't we try out something, since we've got a little time here, why don't we try out something here, not only here at the station, but some useful information for folks at home. Next week it'll be fruit trees. We'll talk about lilacs and Mother's Day baskets for mom, heading up a couple of weeks here from now. But we had to start from the ground up. From the ground, okay? And to do that, we had to get together some stuff from the garden factory to do that.
Yeah. We take
a look.
Take it. Hey, I'm super excited to tell you about a new garden segment that we're starting at Channel 13 this spring. It's called From the Ground Up, and we're going to be partnering with the Garden Factory to get some supplies together to make a garden at the station. Now, it's early yet. It's still the middle of April, so let's go on inside, get the supplies that we need to help you get growing this spring. This place has it all. Let's pick out the seeds to get our garden growing. Okay, From the Ground Up has moved into the greenhouse at the Garden Factory now. We're talking about raised garden beds, and we're going to start our own raised garden bed, but we got to get all these ingredients together. We've got to go to an expert here at the Garden Factory. Here's Reed Martell. He's the head grower at the Garden Factory. Reed, how excited are you about the spring season?
We're patiently waiting for the weather to break so we can get back outside.
Yeah, we'll put the order in for you, okay? But we've got lots of ingredients here. We've got a raised garden bed, a box here. We've got a greenhouse starting kit that we're going to plan up. What's the most important thing to think about when you're starting up seed pods or putting together a garden box like this?
Yeah, so something that's usually overlooked is soil. It's one of the most important things that you have to think about. You want a good blend that has a lot of nutrients in it. You want to get something that gets you off the ground running.
Okay, and things to consider outside. Obviously, you can't control the rain.
Right.
What happens to the soil when we get very heavy rain?
So most of these are formulated. They will last and give you enough nutrients for the full season. You're going to want to fertilize regularly, not every watering, but once a month, if that.
Okay. And if somebody already has a box from last year, they've got the soil from last year.
Yeah.
What do you say to that gardener that wants to put together the box again for this season?
Yeah, so it's totally usable again. Just till it up a little bit. Might want to freshen off the top with a little more soil, give it a little more nutrients. These are packed with compost, so they will carry a lot of nutrients with it. Okay, great. And we've got some seed packs here, and you've also got some lettuce started up there. So you guys have all the plants here in the greenhouse too, we do. Yeah, so if you don't want to start your own seeds, you want to start right with freshly grown packs. We do offer lettuce and all kinds of crops.
Okay, thanks Reed. Well, we do want to start our own. In fact, we are going to build some garden boxes outside of the station, some raised beds out on the side yard. We're going to start by getting growing with some of these seed trays. And this is where the magic happens at the Garden Factory. This is the potting station. This is where we get to put together our seed tray right here. I've got all the ingredients that I need. I've got seed packets. We've got some carrots. We've got some lettuce. We've got some onions, marigolds, tomatoes. Also some labels, because Mark's getting a little forgetful in his age. So I'm going to label everything so I don't forget what's in this seed tray. We've got our organic seed starter. That's going to be the base for all of our little plantings here. And the last thing every good gardener needs, a handy bucket of water. Always takes a little bit more than you think. Lettuce, let us begin. And we'll just start putting them in. And hopefully in a few weeks, we'll start to see some action on these. We're gonna put these in the greenhouse at the Garden Factory. Get a label. There we go. Now it's on. I do 2 tomato plants every year, and I get 2,000 or 3,000 cherry tomatoes off of one plant. We'll put those down into the table. Okay, and this is our onions. We put these about an inch into the soil right there and just tamp it in. Put some soil on top and bury that. Everybody loves marigolds. These are fun to grow. There we go. 2. Get all those planted up. That's in there. And for all these, we can just simply water them in. You just take just enough water to get the soil wet. We've got half the seed tray planted up right here. So now we just need to find a sunny, warm place that can allow these seeds to germinate. They'll start to show, some of them in as little as a week or so. Some of them will take a little bit longer than that. And then when it's warm enough outside, we're going to take these and plant them in our actual garden at the station. All right.
So we've got marigolds, we've got lettuce, we've got cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
Anything else growing so far? Or
the
sprouting?
onions will take a little bit longer.
Okay.
But, yeah, we'll end up putting some of those tomatoes in big planters. Abby nailed it with the marigolds. You know, the critters, not big fans of the smell of them. They smell honestly like wet gym socks when it rains outside. If I had to pick a smell for that. But so that tray is out in the hothouse back in the greenhouse at the garden factory. We're going to give everybody a weekly update until it gets warm enough outside. Then everything that's in that tray will go in the garden outside. And the other exciting part, we're going to have somebody come in and build custom raised beds outside that are going to be fenced in. We're going to have a nice little spot out there to have some fun this summer.
We've got the gold shovels ready to go for the groundbreaking for that.
Did they get the gold spray paint out for that?
No, we're using actual gold shovels.
Okay.
Yeah, 18 karat solid gold, apparently.
I think that was in the budget.
Maybe.
When is it okay? We're keeping them in the greenhouse right now. When can we start to move any of the plants that we have indoors right now outside? Or when is it okay for people at home to, they've got their seed tray going in the sunny, bright window? When do we think we can start to make that move?
So that was always the tough part, matching the excitement of this time of the year to keeping these things alive. Now, it's too early, right? You can still get frost outside this time of the year, and you keep that seed tray inside. But usually by Mother's Day, it's pretty safe. If you live south of Rochester, I'd say, wait a little bit longer than that. Memorial Day is almost always the goal post. If you want to take anything outside your tropicals, wait until after Memorial Day to do that. But, for folks lakeside, they may not see another freeze or frost again this season. They may be kind of in that safe zone. It stays a lot cooler up there, but the overnights also stay warmer because of the lake.
This is so cool. I'm very excited. I can't wait to start to eat from that garden.
Dan's he's claiming a corner of this.
Oh, yeah. I'm claiming a whole bed. A whole bed. Thank you, Mark.
Yeah.
This is exciting stuff.
Every Thursday, right?
Every Thursday on Arc Rochester, I think we're shooting for 9:30.
Perfect.
Right.
Very cool. Don't miss it, people. Hey, stick around. We've got a lot more to come right here on Arc Rochester, including when we come